Money, 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 money. Here we go. We're talking about Sam. Sam says he makes $10 an hour cutting the grass. He also makes $12 an hour raking leaves. He cannot work more than 15 hours per week. Oh, maybe Sam is some young kid and his parents don't want him to work more than about 15 hours. Okay, so it says here, describe graphically the number of hours he would have to work each job if he wants to earn at least $120. Oh my goodness, where do you start? Well, you know what? Let's start with the fact that he's cutting grass, we'll call that G, and raking leaves, we'll call that L. The number of hours cutting grass and the number of hours raking leaves together cannot be greater than 15 hours. So he can work up to 15 hours or less. So you can work anywhere from 0 to 15. His parents are cool with that. Now, he's going to get $10 an hour mowing the lawn. He's going to get $12 an hour raking leaves. And he wants to make more than 120 bucks. So $120 or more. So we'll make that equals 2 as well. Well, there we go. We got a nice little system here. Now, I know what you're thinking. In a system, we always want to find one specific answer. But you know what's really, really tough is you're actually working with inequalities. There is no one answer. There's a group of answers. That's why we shade. Shading means that there's a group of answers that we're getting here. Oh boy, how do we do this? Well, simple. Really, really simple. What I would do is I'd start with a graph. I would say this is my grass cutting in hours. Okay? This is my leaf raking in hours. And let's see where this guy stands. First things first, let's plot this guy right here. So what I would do with this guy, I would say, okay, find me the intercepts. So the intercepts, when G equals to 0, find me the L intercept. Okay? Find me the lint. Anyways, so G equals to 0 in this one. Look, G plus L equals to 15. So G equals to 0, L is 15. Okay, there's 15 right here. There is G then. The G intercept is when L equals to 0. Okay, so if L equals to 0, G's gone. Guess what? It's 15. There's 15. So there's our line from here to here. And we don't go into the other quadrants because, again, ours can only be positive. All right, so think about this. Now, let's put this in here. Let's figure this out. We have to be less than 15 hours. So there's 15 or less. There's 15 or less. And guess what? I'm going to shade this area here. That's my region. Okay, now, here's the next part. Let's graph this one. And if we graph this one, the same kind of idea where we let G equal to 0 to find the L intercept. I'll put a dash so it doesn't look like lint. Okay, G equals to 0 means that this graph is now gone. I got 12 lint equals to 120. So divide by 12, divide by 12. If he's just raking leaves, he's going to have to work 10 hours at raking leaves. So leaves raking is right here at 10 hours. Okay, let's do the same thing now, but for leaves equal to 0, find the G-intercept. The G-intercept then being, right, this would be 10G. That would now be 0 greater than 120. Okay, divide by 10, divide by 10. Guess what? Just mowing the lawn, he's going to have to work 12 hours. So there's the mowing the lawn, 12 hours, looks like about there. So we want this to happen. So if you think about it, you want this to be greater than. So greater than means going up. He's got to make more than this. But look at this. If I make this going up, I can't exceed this boundary. This is a boundary, that's a boundary. I can't exceed those two boundaries. I can't be less than this line, I can't be more than that line. If I am, I'm in trouble. Either I'm not making enough money or I'm working too many hours. So where's the answer? The answer is this shaded region between the two lines. Remember, the red line here was shading up, the blue line was shading down. So any combination in this green double shaded area is all I need to solve this. And you know, honestly, That's the answer. I can't give you an x equals to anything at this point or any specific point. Any one of those combinations will work. So Sam, you got to figure out on your own.